Welcome back to another video. If you would hit that like and subscribe button, I greatly appreciate it. But today I'm gonna show y'all my auction car and what's all wrong with it and what I will be doing to it. So this right here is a Nissan Sentra. This is one of the auctions that I go to. As you can see on the windshield, say bad trans. But anyway, let's get into this video and show you what all I have to do. As you can see, the mirror on here is messed up on, it's actually messed up on both sides. I'm gonna need to get a new motor switch, window switch there. Let y'all see the body of it. It's not in bad shape, that's why I bought it. Still in pretty good condition. For me, I love going to the tow lane simply because that's where you can get your best deals. And if it's in the tow lane, basically it's something wrong with the vehicle, majorly in some cases. As I stated earlier, I got to get both mirrors. I got them on order. Like I said, the body's in pretty good condition. Got a few scratches down there, but I could buff that out. Now the main thing wrong with this car, it's the transmission. It will not move, period, at all. It won't even, you can put it in gear, but it won't do anything. So that's telling me that the belt in it is just totally toast. The motor as well is messed up. It has a, I'm gonna start the vehicle and let y'all hear it. And this how you know when you have a bad motor. Now this lets you know right here. Well, it won't even stay started. But as you can see and heard, that loud knock, it's probably a rod knock down in there. If your car sound like that, it's time to swap out the engine. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all the new engine that I have for it. All right, this is the new engine I have for it. It has 55,000 miles. I'm changing out the engine and transmission on it all at one time. I already did the prep work. I took all the wiring off. That's pretty much all I had to take off. I had to take the intake off as well, and I will be making a video of that. So if you need to know how to take the intake off, I will have a video for that. Also, when you take the intake off, which it covers this whole thing here, so therefore, if you take the intake off, you might as well change your spark plugs out because they're right there with the intake on. You cannot change them spark plugs, so keep that in mind. But I will have to change the oil. I will be doing, once I put this engine in, I'll be doing a transmission screen, drain and fill, and changing out the filter. So stay tuned for that. I will have a whole bunch of videos for this car. So if you have a Nissan Sentra, this car will just about be dissected for you. So anything you need to know, check me out on my videos, hit that notification bell. But I'm gonna get into this today, and stay tuned for new videos. Thanks for watching my video.